think I'll visit Mr. Smay tomorrow.
Mr. Smay, I have a question. I was studying for the electricity and magnetism test earlier and forgot how to use Kirchhoff's rules. I understand that starting on the positive side of a battery gives it a positive potential difference, and that if the current is going in the same direction of the loop rule when you come across a resistor, the potential difference in the resistor is positive. But I forgot everything else. Can you explain it for me?
I'm not ignoring you. I was just thinking of something. But I have an idea. Come here for a second. Some of my past students stopped by and were talking with me earlier. This is Brian. He was my student last year. Let's test him and see if he still remembers what I taught him. Hey Brian, can you explain Kirchhoff's rules for us?
Okay, but I'll need some help.
Yeah, Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits. Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits.
The first one's called the junction rule. It follows conservation of charge I1 equals I2 plus I3 for 3 currents. The rule says for any junction, the sum of the currents entering must equal the sum of the currents that are leaving. When you don't know what to do, the circuits are too complex, just try to apply Kirchhoff's rules. Remember that there are two. Next we've got the loop rule, conservation of energy. Changes in V are always added up to 0. The sum of the potential differences across the elements of any closed circuit loop is 0. To solve any circuit problem, you'll need just as many independent equations as there are unknown variables. Yeah, Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits. Yeah, Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits. Don't forget that the total number of times you can use the junction rule is equal to the total number of junctions in the circuit, and the equivalence is the sum of the smaller currents. Also, you gotta keep in mind the sum of the voltage drops and rises from the batteries and the resistors, which ends up to adding to 0. Yeah, Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits. Yeah, Kirchhoff gave us two simple rules to help us solve complex DC circuits.
Wow, thanks. Mr. Smay, you must have been a really good teacher for them to remember all of that after a whole year. That girl was especially good.
I don't know her.
Oh,